My name is Blissful Dzimiri and I'm here for the weJessup Moot Court competition. I'm participating on behalf of Great Zimbabwe University, a vegetable law school. I'm a fourth year, currently doing my 4-2 on work-related learning. I'm attached at Dubemani Kaiwacha Law Chambers in Harare.
How is the competition so far so good?
Honestly, the competition, like last year, is very challenging and tough, although it's a good thing that we've actually performed way better than we did last year, both on our written arguments, our memorials that we submitted around January. We got a positive feedback. We found that this year we didn't have any corrections whatsoever, so we're excited that at least we're learning something from the competition. And secondly, that our oral submissions are more refined than the last time that we presented arguments before the ICJ at the weJessup Moot Court.
Which one do you think was the most complicated part of this competition?
Well, I think every other participant of the weJessup will agree with me that the answering of the question part is always the toughest part of your submissions, because with weJessup they don't want to hear how you've mastered or you've crammed your submissions as such, but they come to the court with questions of international law that sometimes you also have, but because you find yourself on, for instance, as the applicant, you have to substantiate and justify that standpoint, regardless of the fact that maybe as an individual you don't even agree with the actions of the republic that you're representing in that matter. So obviously that was the most difficult part. But however, it is good that they ask these questions, because then they challenge you to research more on international law, on state practice, customary international law, and as such they keep you on your toes and very sharp on the practice of international law all over the world.
Any hopes?
Personally, of course, there's always so much hope. Not only with restrictions to the competition per se, but for myself, these hopes extend to what the possibilities of what we can endeavor to do for weJessup, not only as participants, but we can sit in as judges, help even with the drafting of future compromise and subjects for dispute for other participants all over the world, and of course meeting new people, socializing and seeing the world.
What would you do if you won this time around?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what I would do if I won the competition. But of course, I'll be ecstatic and would even be encouraged to do more with international law and use my know-how, of course, to acknowledge the efforts that our university makes for us to be here and to educate fellow colleagues on international law back home.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.